Good afternoon, this is my Shaman-Orakel reading for this new week. Today is Tuesday, and today I'm reading for Leo, Virgo, Libra, and Scorpio. And this reading here is for Leo. Welcome, Leo. We start with the magical Nordic tarot card. That one is the Lovers. And the card is related to the goddess of spring and eternal youth, Idun. She was thought to have magical apples that would help the gods and goddesses to stay young and beautiful forever. Two lovers stand on jagged pieces of ice in a deserted lake on the card. They seem to be distracted and emotionally elsewhere. The woman appears to be turning away, while the man, bewitched by his partner, has only eyes for her. Physically together but emotionally apart, they are joined together by their bond, but they are separated by the water, which represents their emotions. Two swans, signifying hope, are swimming nearby, while a bird of prey, sensing trouble in paradise, lurks dangerously overhead. Keywords of the card are soulmates, choices, love, freedom, and emotions. And the message is, I am entwined with passion. The Lovers is a card of emotions, of choices, and emotional choices. That is, it marks a time when an important decision will need to be made in your love, work, or your home life. Dilemmas about jobs and relationships are both possible, as tempting new offers rock the boat and create a tsunami of emotions. Stable relationships will become stronger, while those in unhappy kind of a relationship may now part ways. Declaration of love from ex-partners and secret admirers, they are also likely, while those looking for romance could meet their dream mate at a wedding or at an engagement party. The card number 2 is the Mythic Goddess Tarot card, and out came 10 of Pentacles. 10 of Pentacles is about financial security, love, and long-term success. The meaning of the card is completion. The 10 of Pentacles indicates wonderful positivity, love, luck, and happiness. Once you have material stability, achieving contentment becomes a lot easier. Joint finances and investment decisions, they are now highlighted. Happiness and security are yours. You have reached a point of completion and accomplishment in your journey. Successful career moves, canny financial investments, and blissful home life are all indicated, as are generous gifts. Making a commitment by moving in or marrying are possibilities. This includes the uniting of two families. It's about coming together with others and counting blessings, inheritance, windfalls, and prosperity purchases, which can happen now. The Psychic Tarot card is Harmony, and the card signifies the possibility that a deep spiritual initiation, partnership, or union is taking place at this time or is manifesting for the future. This doesn't always necessarily represent a love affair of the heart, but could signify other forms of relationships in your life, whether they are personal or business related. Remember that not all partnerships have to be one-to-one. They can be forged with a group, an organization, a pet, or even an incident or a situation. The Harmony card is calling to let you know that it is time for you to make choices in certain relationships. The bonds you form with others are really about you, even in the most difficult situations. They are meant to be mirrors for you, always reflecting back what you need to see. Ask yourself, what am I learning from this relationship? What new qualities am I developing? Is this partnership for my highest good? How can I make it stronger? Are we teaching each other? What have I discovered or am still uncovering about myself through this union? Are the people in my life empowering and encouraging me to be all that I can? Within every relationship, there is an encoded lesson that you have hopefully cleared, or in some cases, one that you still need to learn. And the traditional card relating to this Harmony card, the traditional tarot archetype card, is the Lovers. So you got 2 times the Lovers. That's wonderful. Next one is from das Schamanen-Orakel. It is a German deck. And the card that came out is Rain Spirit. And the message is that a spiritual blessing is on the horizon. Expect an unexpected blessing. Something will suddenly become very clear to you. The card shows an unusual figure, a person wearing the cloak of a shaman, bringing us hope and remembrance. Tears, they are flowing out of one eye of that figure. It is a sign of rain, and this rain is seen as lifesaver, especially by tribes who live in the desert or close by. Water is seen as a blessing, a gift of life. The message of the card is there is a higher power at work, a godly power of a spiritual world. Something that seems unimportant is happening in your life. So be aware to see things that you need to see. Things may hide or come into your life in another form, like wearing a mask to disguise the true reality. With regards to relationships, accept light and darkness, strength and weakness. Take people as they are and show your compassion, because compassion is a blessing. It is better to show some sympathy than to right away criticize someone. The rain spirit teaches us that it is okay now and then to give more than to receive. It does not hurt you to be gracious and to show goodwill. There is a medicine aspect to the card. Learn again to cry. Crying is healthy. Cry when you are happy, but also cry with others and show your sympathy when others are in pain. Cry when you are thankful for the help of others and cry when you feel deep desire to be one with the Great Spirit. And cry, of course, also when things seem to be difficult and not work out. Feel empathy for others and all living beings. We are the tool of the Great Spirit to become wiser within us. And the last card is Lovely Animals Oracle card. Out came the Kangaroo. Yeah, I know that my sister would like it. She's in Leo. She likes kangaroos and she likes Australia. I know that. So she will be happy today. The kangaroo has this general message. It is important to find a place where you feel loved and protected. Do not give up until you find it, and make it happen quickly and easily, because complex thinking can lead to you going round in circles for too long. Do not waste any time. The kangaroo card is about love, protection, and simplicity. The strength is that you are focused, fast, strong, and very protective towards your family. Opportunities are that you have the ability to overcome everyday life obstacles. Some weaknesses are that you might be shy and too much of a thinker. And some dangers are that you might move in vicious circles that lead nowhere. So stop going in circles. Okay, Leo? That was the reading for all Leos. Thank you very much for listening, Leo. I wish you a wonderful day today. I wish you a great week. Take care and goodbye.